And welcome to Projects of Wellington. Today we're going to start doing the advertising car for my business, just to drive around and obviously let people know that we're here. This is a 1.6 diesel Focus, and we're going to be putting a body kit on it some point, and also an EGR valve. I've already done some 18-inch wheels for it, put some brand new tyres, which I think looks really nice. It's got a nice stealth look to it, and I've put some ST badges on there because it's obviously an ST kit, but it looks really nice, and I think it'll look quite nice with some Projects of Wellington all over the car, just to show that it's advertising. But I've always liked Focuses. I like the RS, but they're expensive, so I thought I'd buy this one in and have a go at putting a body kit on it. So this is the box of pleasures, as I call it, and basically we're going to unbox it now, so you get to see what the kit entails, and then we'll look over it and see what it's about.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. To get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back.
Well, I've put some plastic dip on there because then we can peel it off if we don't want to, or change the colour. That's going to obviously dry matte, and then we've got some lacquer as well, so we'll put that on this plastic lacquer. It's plastic lacquer. So then once that all hardens up, we'll open up the other boxes and see what's in there for the front valance and rear valance.